Hi there. Glad you launched this video. One of over 100 authentic Chinese recipes I'm sharing in the Ingredients channel. Today, I'm going to recreate the famous Kung Pao chicken with a bit of my own twists. The classic recipe in Sichuan cuisine is believed to be named after the governor of Sichuan province in the Qing dynasty. Kung Pao was his title. Eventually it became well known and turned into a staple restaurant food as well. Alright, enough story time. Let's get started. Before that, please remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. For the ingredients, we need chicken tender, about 1 pound, some cucumber and carrot, ginger, scallion, garlic, and peanuts. First, we're gonna dice the chicken tender. Feel free to substitute the tender with chicken breast or pork tenderloin or shrimp, something tender. Then we're gonna dice the scallion in similar size as the chicken. Then slice the garlic and ginger. By the way, for detailed ingredients and portion, please check in the descriptions field under the video or at the end of the episode. Slice a red chili pepper. Now, let's dice the baby carrot and cucumber. Feel free to substitute with other vegetables of your choice. I picked carrot and cucumber for their crunchy texture, which is perfect for the dish. Next step, we're going to marinate the chicken tender. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Cooking wine, 1 tablespoon. Ground pepper, white or black, 1 teaspoon. Dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon. Oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Mix evenly. Smash a few times. Add 2 teaspoons of starch. Grasp gently a few more times. Set aside for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare for the sauce. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoon dark rice vinegar, light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, cooking wine, 1 tablespoon, salt a pinch, oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon, dark soy sauce, ½ teaspoon, ground black pepper, a pinch, starch, 2 teaspoons. Once the tender is fully seasoned, time to stir fry. In a cold pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, add the peanuts. Stir fry on medium heat. Until the peanuts crack, keep frying for another minute. Then take them out and put them in a plate and store in the fridge to cool down. Add some oil as needed. Then throw in the shrimp peppercorn. Medium heat until the peppercorns turn dark. Take them out. Add the seasoned chicken tender. Stir fry for about 5 minutes until the tenders turn solid white. Take them out. Add the ginger, garlic, and red chili pepper slices. Stir fry. Add a bit more oil as needed. Now stir fry the carrot. Add a few drops of dark rice vinegar to balance the spiciness. Not too much. Add the diced scallion and cucumber. Sprinkle some salt. Quick stir a few times. Add the cooked chicken tender. Mix. Now add the sauce. You may need to stir and mix the sauce as the starch may have sunk and stuck on the bottom. Keep stirring until the sauce gets thick and sticky. Add the peanuts. Quickly stir a few times. Turn off the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to enhance the nutty flavor. Ready to serve. The tender chicken meat is perfectly enhanced by the crunchy nuts and vegetables. Put a few spoons on top of a cup of rice. Delicious meal indeed. Well, thanks for watching. Try it and let me know how yours turn out. If you enjoy the recipe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you around!